Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. This is the Leslie 147 amplifier that had the bent chassis. It was bent out of shape here in the front. Now, as you can see here, I've straightened it out. It looks even, very nice. And I can now install this in a Leslie cabinet. Alright, so I have to put the bottom bracket part back on here, and I've also cleaned the chassis. Now, of course, I have to refurbish the amp underneath. I'll replace capacitors and resistors, and then test the voltage and try this amplifier out. Here you go. That's what it looks like underneath. I've done some cleaning underneath as well, the undercarriage. Alright, so good project for us here today in the shop, getting it done here at Vintage B3 Organ Incorporated. Whoop. Knocking stuff down too. Alright, I'll pick that up. That's my solder, I need it. Okay, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, saying to you, peace out.